An umbrella from 1991 reveals the ugliness of human nature. 8 people stood under it, but the weak were pushed out. The strong stayed inside, while the umbrella's owner, an old man, lagged behind. The old man had a habit of carrying an umbrella. Though the day started sunny, clouds soon gathered. As it began to rain, he saw a woman with a baby. He shared his umbrella with them. A boy with a backpack joined them. A rogue saw them and squeezed under the umbrella. The rogue then snatched the umbrella from the old man. A young man joined, and more people followed. The old man and others were pushed out. A gust of wind flipped the umbrella. The crowd scattered, leaving the umbrella behind. The old man tried to fix it, but only the boy helped. The umbrella was repaired, and the old man invited them back. The crowd returned, pushing him out again. The umbrella was discarded when the rain stopped. A small umbrella shielded from rain but revealed human nature.